Sawadika. Hi everyone. Today let's make yam mama or Thai instant noodle salad. Before we proceed, give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. You can follow our work on YouTube and Facebook. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We have cooked mama noodles, prawns and sausage that have been blanched, sliced white onion and shallots, sliced tomato, palm sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, red chilies and garlic that have been smashed, and celery leaves. Remember to not cook your instant noodles for too long because if not, they will get mushy. For the onion and shallots, you can just use one of the two or just leave it out completely. It's all up to your preference. And now for the fun part, let's combine everything. I actually use my pestle and mortar to lightly smash them, but you can just use your knife. You just want them lightly smashed like this so that their flavor fused into the dish. This recipe is not spicy, and if you want it to be more spicy, you can just add more red chilies. Lime juice, fish sauce, palm sugar, or you can just use white sugar, brown sugar, any kind of sugar that you have, but palm sugar works really well. Mix this up first. Next is our protein and the noodles. Break the noodles apart like this. Last for your sliced tomato, shallots, white onion, and the nice greenery. Now that this is well combined, before serving, you need to give this a taste test. The flavors are just right, but if you like it a bit more sweet, more salty, you can just add to your own liking. But this is it. And this is our yam mama. It's easy, it's quick, it's light, it's delicious. It's so popular, I don't know anyone who doesn't like it. So let's give this a try. Like I said, this recipe of yam mama is not spicy at all. So you should add red chilies if you want more kick, more heat of the spice. So make sure to give this recipe a try and let me know what you think about it. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.